An update on MA Momentum Scalper and DAX optimization for this week. In total, we are $2,082.23 up in profit since we started using this. This was the 25th of April. But I want to show you, if we look at today or this week's results, we did have some losses this week, but I just want to be honest and show you what that looked like. So we start from the 12th. Well, I start on Sunday left because the timing, it says here on my clock 9:26 on the 16th, but obviously the broker time is a little 2 hours ahead. So we do on the Sunday, and you can see the trades from Sunday. We did take some losses. Took a big load of losses actually, which actually blew out the account at one stage, and then I had to furnish it with another 200, but we've made that all back. So in total for the week it's 363, and what I do want to do is to show you since the start of doing this. So if we do the 25th of the 4th, and you can see the total amount, and this is 2,082, and you can see how this works in terms of like daily profits and losses. So if we right click, you can do this yourself, by the way. You don't for any trading MT5. I built this bit of software which allows you to see the results. So I'm not sure if you've seen it, but if you haven't, you could do this. Go to report, open XML, and it will save an XML file somewhere. So I'm going to save it in my downloads. I've got a copy already, so I'm just going to replace it. And then if you go to, let's wait for it to save. And then if you go to web page, so this is my web page, I need to update it, it's not updated. But if you go down here, the MT5 results analyzer, click on that. And then if you click on the choose the file to start, or choose a file here, and then open up that file. So this one here. And it will show you, so that's the result that we had. It will show you what our daily profits look like. So since we started the 25th, this is profit and loss. So the first day we had a win, then we had a loss, win, and this is week here. And you see this, it doesn't say Friday, and the reason why that is because it takes this time of when you started the trade. Most of these trades opened last night actually, and they will close out the 16th. A bunch of us closed out today. 16, so it takes the opening, and you can see what happened. So Monday we had a win, and then had Tuesday and Wednesday we had losses, and I felt okay, this is not great. I had a couple of losses, and these were the sort of two big losses compared to the other 2 days that we had. But as you can see, today it's compensated for it, so it's actually got, managed to sort of win back these losses. So yeah, overall we're up for a week. Annoying that we did lose a couple of trades, and because I was a little bit nervous today actually. We have doubled the lot sizes in terms of trading. So if I show you that, you see that I'm now 0.02. It was 0.01, and on the 12th I went to 0.02. And there's a few trades here where you can see I went long, and I actually closed early. So if I left these ones, these would have been a bit bigger. And this morning as well, it did naturally close out some trades, but there were a couple of trades which, if I left, it would have gone all the way up here. So I could have been an extra probably $200 up today, but I wanted to be safe. And as I said before, previous email, what I found is generally, as an overall thing about this trading robot, the entries are pretty good. So even if I close early, the next opportunity is just around the corner, and I am getting trades for those and winning trades mostly. You see how it started this week. We had that gap up I mentioned at the beginning of this week, this big gap up. I closed some trades which proved to be quite good because it tanked, and then I had some short trades, closed those early, and this trade wasn't a good trade because these ones would have gone down a lot further. And then I had these string of losses. You can see here that it was choppy, wasn't it? It like went moving up and down, and I actually noticed the big MA, it was kind of like in the middle here, and when it's in the middle it's choppy, and then it seemed to have moved. So once we've moved on Thursday and Friday. So this big movement now, and now that we've got that movement, some decent trends, we didn't get caught out. So we were caught out a couple of times, or quite a few times. Hence this string of losses here. But luckily, we've made it all back just on the closing out the trades today. So just want to show you that. So overall, we did pretty well. Obviously, those two trades, 2 losing days in the middle didn't help, but we've made it all back today, and we've finished the week in positive. And so far, it means every single week so far, we've had a positive week. And this is using the MA Momentum Scalper with our DAX optimization. So have a great weekend, and we'll speak to you next week.